Hello guys, welcome to another video of Romero Lawn Service. Aquí andamos con el Mr. Homero Guerrero Jr. de Rio Verde, San Luis Potosí, Mexico. Yeah guys, so we're trimming all these fence line right here. A lot of, there was a lot of trees right here on this fence, on the lower, they were too low. So we cleaned this right here. And this is what we got left. Clean this right here a little bit, and then just throw the we're throwing some of the trash over here on this side because there's a empty lot. And I mean, there's not really big branches. They're gonna get dry, old. They're gonna get old and they're gonna dry, you know what I mean? And we got John in the front. We knocked down a tree. Let me see how's John doing over here. Oh yeah? Oh, you almost got it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at that. We got that right here. A lot of trash. There was a tree right here. A big branch fell on top of the house, and we got it taken care of. We cut that down, and then we cut the whole tree down. We got Big John right here helping out. What's up, baby? Look at that. Look at that. A lot of trash, guys. Esa es toda la basura, John, ya. Allá la demás basura la estamos sentando allá atrás. Atrás no hay nada, no hay casas. La estamos sentando para atrás nomás. La demás basura la estamos sentando para allá. Porque no hay casas allá atrás. Así, este es lo que está aquí, es lo último. Yeah, so I told the client right here that he can do drill some holes with the drill, and then put some oil, and then it's gonna get dry, and then it'll be easier. Or I told him I can rent a grinder and we could take care of it, get it grind. Yeah, he said he's gonna let me know what he wants to do. All right, we just finished doing this one right here. We just finished doing this one right here with a lot of leaves. But we got it taken care of. This is another house they have on sale, for sale. I think this house has already been sold. So that's why they tell us to come and do it our last time cleanup for this one, because it's been sold. There was a lot of leaves right here, guys. I mean, we still got some right there left, but I mean, can't be perfect, guys. It was ugly. It was really ugly, but I mean, we got it looking nice, aged. With that age, clean up. Ay jala, a lo que nos pagan, kid. Yeah, we got it right there. Alright guys, we're taking lunch. Taquitos, enchiladas de Rio Verde. El Homer.
Están más buenas allá. La Little York.
La Little York son las buenas. Son. ¿Qué tal, Homero, más o menos? Really good.
Bien.
Ahí jala. raza trabajadora.